And we're going to mix this. So get yourself a fork and just kind of stir it around. You see how it kind of gets crummy? So now what you need is about 2 tablespoons of water. And you're just going to add that in. Now you can use your judgment if you need more water. You can. What you're trying to make is a paste. This is like really so good. Can't wait for you guys to try this. So I'm going to need a little more water. So I'm going to go ahead and get just a little bit more, maybe another. Well, let me keep stirring. Maybe another, I'll say another tablespoon. Okay, we're going to add in another tablespoon. Yes, you want to put your oven on to 425 degrees. That's what I already did that. And just going to keep stirring this until you get a nice paste. Okay, and I got out my little spatula there just to get all the sides. See, this is about what you want, like that. Now what you're going to do is you're going to break off the tofu, like I said, into bite-sized pieces. We like, kind of big pieces, so depends on how big you like your things to be, but you can make them smaller too. And you're just going to dip it in there and try to get all sides. See, now when you have the frozen tofu, it kind of holds together a little better. So just be careful with fresh tofu. Okay, and now you're just going to place it on a baking pan with parchment paper. And you're going to do this for the rest of the tofu. Okay, and if you see the little crumbs left in your thing, please use those too, because these are delicious when they crisp up. And so what I went ahead and did, I did all of mine, and I took some of those big pieces and I made them just a tiny bit smaller. And you can easily do that with a knife. You can cut them and, make sure that they're just little bite-sized pieces now. So, but doesn't that look good? Now what you're going to do is you're going to bake this in the oven. About 10 minutes you're going to, we're going to bake probably 20 minutes total. But then after 10 minutes, what you want to do is get a spatula and flip them. But as they bake, I will be back. So we're going to go ahead and start this now, and I'll be back.